Good morning, students. This is your English class. We have already started chapter 1 in your English grammar book. That is about the topic parts of speech. Students, we have already studied about the classification of noun, pronoun and adjective. Today in this video, we are going to learn the classification or the kinds of verb. So students, let's open page number 9 in your English grammar book and let's learn what are the kinds of verb. Students, you already studied about the definition and example of verb. Again, I am telling the definition of verb. See here. A verb is a doing word that tells us something about a person or thing. So, a verb is a doing word that tells us something about a person or a thing. There can be three kinds of verb. There can be three kinds of verb. Number 1 is transitive verb. Number 2 is intransitive verb. Number 3 is auxiliary verb. Now see number 1, transitive verb. What is transitive verb? It takes an object. Means transitive verb includes an object. Okay? Transitive verb includes an object. For example, see here number 1. Rohan flew a kite. In this sentence, Rohan is the subject, flew is the verb, a kite is the object. Okay? So, the verb flew takes the object a kite. That's why flew is transitive verb. Number 2. She learned her lesson. In this sentence, she is subject, learned is verb, her lesson is object. Okay? So, here in this sentence, the verb learned takes the object her lesson, includes the object her lesson. That's why learned is transitive verb. Number 3. Boys made much noise. In this sentence, boys is the subject, made is the verb, much noise is the object. Here the verb made takes the object much noise, includes the object much noise. That's why made is transitive verb. Number 2, intransitive verb. So, what is intransitive verb? Intransitive verb is just the opposite of transitive verb. So, see, intransitive verb. It does not take an object. Means intransitive verb does not include an object. Intransitive verb does not include an object. Okay? For example, see number 1, the sun shines. The sun is the subject, shines is the verb. There is no object in this sentence. Okay? So, the verb shines does not include an object. That's why shines is intransitive verb. Number 2, the wind blows. Here in this sentence, the subject is the wind, blows is the verb. The verb blows does not take or does not include any object in this sentence. That's why blows is intransitive verb. Number 3, the girls danced. In this sentence, the girls is the subject, danced is the verb. Danced is the verb and it does not include any object. The verb dance does not include any object. That's why danced is intransitive verb. Always remember that an adverb or adverb phrase is not an object. The object of a verb is always a noun phrase or a noun equivalent, that is pronoun. So students, you have to remember one thing always, okay? That is, an adverb or an adverb phrase is not an object. The object of a verb is always a noun or a noun phrase or a noun equivalent, that is a pronoun. Okay. Number 3, auxiliary. So, what is an auxiliary verb? See, it helps the main verb to form a tense. Auxiliary verb helps the main verb to form a tense. There are two kinds of auxiliary verbs. There are two kinds of auxiliary verb. Number 1 is primary auxiliary. Number 2 is modal auxiliary. Okay. What are the primary auxiliary? See, be, do, have, and their various forms. Be verb, do verb, have verb, and their various forms are called primary auxiliary. For example, see, be verbs are is, am, are, was, were. These are the be verbs. Is, am, are, was, were. Do verbs are do, does, did. And the have verbs are have, has, had. Okay. So see, there are the different forms of be verb like is, am, are. These three verbs are used in present tense. Was, were. These two verbs are used in past tense. Is, am, are, was, were are called be verbs. Do, does, did. Do, does are used in present tense. Did is used in past tense. Do, does, did are various forms of do verb. Have, has, had. Have, has are used in present tense. Had is used in past tense. So, have, has, had are the various form of have verb. Okay. Now see modal auxiliary. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, dare, need, ought to, used to. These are the modal auxiliary verb. You have learned the use of these auxiliaries in your previous classes. And students, you have already studied about these verbs in the previous classes also. So students, you have to study the definition of verb and their classifications here. Okay.